When I started Mary Kay, I thought I couldn't do it because I had never sold anything. I wasn't the most optimistic person, I had no dreams, and I was full of excuses. But Mary Kay has helped me grow and develop the giant inside of me. And most importantly, it has helped me to believe in myself. This opportunity just fits because it gives us flexibility, it adapts, and we can work it around our lives. What I love most is having the quality time that every woman would like to have to spend with her family. My children are my driving force, my reason for living, and my motivation to keep growing. And I thank God for the Mary Kay opportunity because when I immigrated 18 years ago, I discovered that my profession would not transfer here. And I spent 9 years in an abusive relationship. But when Mary Kay came into my life, it marked a turning point for me because Mary Kay has a foundation that helps end domestic violence. And I was impressed to see how many women had changed their lives. And if they could change their lives, I could change mine too. And I thank God for the leaders who believed in me. And I want to continue passing this legacy on to other women. Today, it is not what I've earned, but about the woman I have become. Mary Kay changes lives, and I know the best is yet to come. My name is Keila Lopez, and Mary Kay just fits my life.
Okay.